Trusted Signals.
What up, Trusted Signals, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk about the profits on the analysis trade ideas this week. For those of you who don't know, Trusted Signals is not only an indicator company, but we also have a Discord chat where we give out weekly trade ideas. Not only myself, but we also have other members who post their trade ideas. Shout out Calvin Lee. So with becoming a member, you get not only access to the indicator, but also access to our trade ideas. January 20th, 2022, gold long. Here we have Calvin Lee with his post. He posted here a trade idea on gold, showing you his setup. And here he's basically showing that he's waiting for a retracement to come down to these areas and going in for a long. Then right here you have him showing his entry, having that retracement done and being up on his position, where then he says pay yourself some partials when 50 pips up. That was a great call from Calvin Lee. Once again, thank you, Calvin Lee, for that call. January 26, US 30 short. This one I gave out on Wednesday. We had the US 30 short, took a screenshot of my entry and sent it out to the group chat. And that one was based on this sell signal. So right here you can tell January 26 had this sell signal come in. I entered, went into drawdown just a little bit, almost hit my stop. So in all honesty, I wasn't too sure about the trade. So as soon as I had the opportunity, I let everybody know, hey, close in profit. But sadly, I did not hold on to the trade because the move that followed that signal was absolutely beautiful, good for 62 pips. And if we go into the post your profit section, let's see. This is where everybody posts their profits. I'm pretty sure I posted mine. Where is it? But look at this week though. Everybody here is profiting. This week was amazing. You see the 26. Wow. All right. So right here, boom. That was the trade, and that was $587 in the bag from a 0.10. Now, if I would have held that, I ended up closing, like, let's say right here. Imagine just this was 500 if I would have held that. Ugh. Yeah, it hurts sometimes. That's what happens. But hey, you know what? It's part of the game. More trades are going to come. Opportunities are endless within Forex. I'm happier that I've built the habit in closing in certain times when I have doubt, because there are some cases that if I didn't close, I would have lost a large sum of the account. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. It happens. But I think this wraps it up for now. We had a solid week of profits. Everyone on the team in Trusted Signals posting their profits. Shout out to Trusted Signals. Shout out to the family. We had once again an amazing week in the trade ideas section as well. So I think this wraps up this video. Thank you so much to everyone who's tuned in right now. And if you like our content, please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and become part of the family. Trusted Signals, let's go!